I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to disable the Control Center on your iPhone or iPad lock screen. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Step 2. Scroll down the menu and tap Face ID and Passcode or Touch ID and Passcode, depending on which security method your device uses. Step 3. Enter your current device passcode when prompted to gain access to these secure settings. Step 4. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Allow Access when locked. This section controls exactly what features can be accessed while your device is still on the lock screen. Step 5. Find Control Center in this list and then tap the toggle switch next to it to turn it off. The switch will change from green to gray, confirming that the feature is now disabled on your lock screen. Once you have turned this off, you can lock your device to test it out. If you attempt to swipe down from the top right corner of the lock screen or swipe up from the bottom on a device with a home button, the Control Center will no longer appear. To access it, you will first need to unlock your phone using Face ID, Touch ID, or your passcode. Alternatively, if you are looking through this section to maximize your lock screen privacy and security, you may want to review the other toggles under Allow Access when locked. From this same menu, you can also disable lock screen access to things like Today View and Search, Notification Center, Reply with Message, and Home Control. Turning these features off prevents nosy onlookers or strangers from reading your alerts or interacting with your smart home gadgets without your permission. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.